One of the things that people don't realize is that all year long, all these decorations still exist. They're right now all staged, hidden in different places in the city, waiting to come out. So we can't wait to get them out.
Most people want to be part of something larger than themselves. It just takes the invitation. And that's what it took for me. And again, I'm now 17 years of Rockford Chair Fest.
The whole experience is all run on volunteer joy and laughter and commitment. It's all about what we can do behind the scenes to give families, our community, an entirely beautiful holiday season.
I think the most important thing that we do as leaders in Stroll and State is to create opportunities for people to use their God-given abilities and talents to make our city a better place to live.
Back of my shirt says, because 7 hours matters. We spend months and months in prep for Stroll on State that is 7 hours long. And in that 7 hours has changed the trajectory of so many people's attitudes of downtown Rockford, or even the city of Rockford.
I remember having teams of people putting wrapping paper on the empty storefront windows. 4 years later, we looked around at each other and said, wow, we don't have to send a team out to decorate empty storefronts anymore because they were full.
Year 8, the potential for there to be nothing was pretty great. And we decided, no, we're not going to let that happen.
If ever there was a year that we desperately need to decorate downtown, create a place of joy and hope, it's this year.
It's like watching a slow-mo movie of people just starting to arrive, escalate with the whole tree lighting, and just watching families enjoy the whole experience. We still want to create an experience, a place where families can recreate the memories that they've been already creating for the last 7 years.
Yeah, if I could, I would love to say something to our volunteers, if you don't mind. Volunteers, you know, for the 8th year, once again, you did it. Downtown looks amazing, and we couldn't do this unless we all got together and shared our gifts and our abilities. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's continue to make Rockford the place that we want to call home and a place that we can be proud of. This is a great city.